Why do you forget your dreams, and what are you supposed to do whenever you forget your dreams? Did you know that whenever we go to sleep, our conscious mind goes to sleep, but our subconscious mind and our ethereal body, which is the spirit, do not sleep? Now our consciousness is transferred into the spirit. Now the spirit separates from the physical body and goes into the astral realms. Now the experiences of the spirit in the astral realms are what we call dreams. Now dreaming is the same as astral projection, but the difference is that during dreaming, our conscious mind is asleep, but during astral projection, our conscious mind is active. In short, we can say that dreaming is a low-powered astral projection, and as a human being, you are supposed to dream. If you do not dream, it means that your spirit do not separate from your physical body. It means that your spirit is very weak. Now in this video, we are going to look at why you do not remember your dreams and what you are supposed to do in order to start dreaming again and remembering your dreams. Hi there, welcome to this channel. In this channel, we dive deep in spirituality, esoteric wisdom, hidden knowledge, way of the universe, way of our ancestors, including ancient cultures. If this is your first time coming across this page, like, subscribe, hit notifications as we continue with the awakening journey. You are there and you cannot remember your dreams. You have the idea of dreaming, but you do not remember what was happening in that dream. You are there and now it has been years and you have not dreamed at all. Now listen to me very carefully. It is not good not to remember your dreams. It is also not good not to dream at all. Whenever we dream, we go to connect with our higher self, our spirit guides, and even our ancestors. Through dreams, that is where we get divine messages. Through dreams, that is where we get guides, and that is where we get warnings. There are several reasons why you keep forgetting your dreams. Number one is psychic and spiritual attacks. In this attack, there is a person who is fighting you spiritually. This person is using external force or even entities to fight you and swipe your dreams. Remember when I talked about destiny swapping? One of the way of destiny swapping is dream swapping. When a person performs dream swapping on you, the intended message from that dream will not come to you. Number two is that your spirit is weak. One of the way of weakening your spirit is feeding your body more than your spirit. When you feed your body more than your body overshadows your spirit. Your body is attached to material things and the physical world. When your body is in that state, it is very difficult for a message from the spiritual realm to reach you. Number three is that you have been consuming a lot of low vibrational foods. Low vibrational foods, these are the fast foods, the junk foods, the processed foods. The low vibrational foods usually weaken your spirit. If you want to keep your spirit active, you need to include a diet of high vibrational foods. Alkaline natural fruits, these are the highest vibrational foods. If you are a victim of the things that I have mentioned, I'm going to share with you 5 ways and rituals you can perform in order to start remembering your dreams and to start dreaming again. For one, what you are going to do before you go to sleep, ensure that you have not eaten anything. You need to take water in a glass and talk to that water. Ensure that the water in a glass, it is natural water. Remember that natural water is alive and it is a keeper of memory. Tell that water to help you dream and remember your dreams. Take 3 sips of water and the remaining water, put it under your bed. You are going to repeat the process for 3 days, and after 3 days, your dreams will be restored. Number 2, you can wake up exactly at 3 a.m. when the energies are very high. Remember, 3 a.m. is the most spiritual hour. This is when the veil between the astral realms and the physical dimension is very thin, forcing all the energies of the ether to be dispersed into the cosmos. Now what you are going to do, you are going to take water in a bowl and add sea salt to that water. You are going to talk to that water and tell that water to help you remember your dreams. Now what you are going to do, you are going to take half of that water and wipe your face with that water. Do not dry the water, let the water dry on its own and then go back to sleep. Immediately after you go back to sleep, you are going to remember your dreams. Number 3, what you are going to do before you go to sleep, you are going to take a pinch of sea salt. Put that sea salt under your pillow. Now the sea salt will clear off the negative energy that has been blocking your dreams. And immediately after you go to sleep, that day you are going to receive a dream and you are going to remember that dream very clearly. Number 4, you can perform a ritual during the new or the full moon. On the night of the new or the full moon, you are going to cleanse the energy of your house by burning a sage. After that, you are going to take water in a bowl. Add a herb like lavender or mugwort to that water. Put that water under your bed or under your pillow. Before you put that water, talk intention into that water and say these words. Let the water carry my dreams into memories. When you wake up during sunrise, you are going to pour that water into a plant or into the mother nature. As the plant continue to grow and flourish, you are going to become strong in spirit and you are going to remember your dreams. And if you do not dream, you are going to start dreaming. Number 5, you can call upon your ancestors or your guides to help you remember your dreams. Before you go to sleep, you need to light a white candle. As the candle continues to burn, you need to meditate and enter a meditative state. As you enter the meditative state, you need to say these words. Call upon the specific name of the ancestors or your guide and say these words. Guide me through the realm of dreams and help me to remember whatever that matters. You need to visualize the dream that you wish to visit the important message. And as you visualize the dream, you are going to extinguish the candle with gratitude. And from there, you are going to remember every dream. In the 5 rituals, you can choose the one that is easier for you and the one that aligns with your soul. Remember, as a spiritual person, dreams and memories are connected to water. Water is not just water. Water can be alive or dead. Natural water from the stream, that is the alive water, and that is the water that carries memories. It is good before you consume that water, talk to that water. Talk to that water about any problem. Talk to that water even for vibration of your physical body. If you have watched until this point, like and share this video. Tell me your view on the comment section concerning dreams. Or tell me your dream on the comment section and I will give you a possible meaning. Peace and love.